Ever tasted cinnamon roll cookies? They are so yum, and they taste like cinnamon rolls. I'm Erleen Tilton, the Happy Gut Foodie from ErleenTilton.com. With healthy food alternatives, you can improve gut health naturally. Plus, adding food-grade essential oils to your foods provides many wonderful health benefits and makes them so tasty as well. As a health coach for almost 4 decades now, I help people reset their guts, starting with a health assessment at the link below. Take action so you can see amazing results for yourself. This is one of those incredible cinnamon roll recipes no one would ever guess. It's a sugar-free cookies recipe too. Additionally, it's an easy, healthy cookies recipe, so ask the children to help. In the comments below, say recipe if you would like these details to come to your inbox. So let's begin with the dough. In a mixing bowl, we're going to add a 1/2 cup of butter softened, 2/3 cup monk fruit allulose sweetener, and mix it all together. Then let's add 1 egg, a 1/2 cup of coconut cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 3 drops of cinnamon essential oil. This is great for immune boosting. Mix it all together. You may need to stop once or twice to scrape down the sides of your mixing bowl, and then mix again until it's very nice and smooth. Now we're going to add our dry ingredients, 2 cups of almond flour, 1/4 cup of coconut flour, then a 1/2 teaspoon each baking powder, soda, and salt. Then mix it all together and put it aside just for a minute. And in a small bowl, we are going to add 3 tablespoons monk fruit allulose sweetener, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a 1/4 cup of fine chopped pecans. Then mix it all together, and again, we're going to set that aside. Now let's go back to our ball of dough. Put it on parchment on your counter, and then let's roll it out into a 12 by 15 inch rectangle. Then kind of pat it until it's where you want it. Top it with 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Just spread that around really good. Then sprinkle with your cinnamon nut mixture until it's very evenly spread. I like to spoon it around a little bit as well. And then we are going to roll this up using the parchment paper as a tool. Now it's going to stick a little bit as you roll it. It's okay. Just continue to roll using the parchment paper as a tool to help it come into a nice round roll, or I should say log. So when you kind of get to the end, what we're going to do is then pull that back over and roll it up so it's really, really tight. Now you want to make sure that as you do roll it, that you keep it really tight, because you don't want any air in that roll. Then we're going to place it on a baking sheet and chill it in our refrigerator 2 hours or even overnight until it's well chilled. Now, when you get it out, make sure and preheat your oven to about 375. I like to roll it a little bit so it is not square. And then we're going to unwrap it and slice it into 3/8 inch slices. And then put them on your baking sheet. Now we are going to pop it in our oven once we have all of these on our baking sheet and bake for about 10 minutes. Super yummy gluten-free cookies recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you go to the description below. Comment recipe if you'd like these details to come to your inbox. Ask your questions, take that free health assessment, like and subscribe, then give these a try.